back with another video. I am going to be doing an unboxing of HODOR from the Game of Thrones. This guy's badass. And he's pretty heavy too. I like him. Hold the door, HODOR. I really enjoyed Game of Thrones. HODOR had a really good story behind him. I really liked him. So that's why I decided to get this pop. And I saw it online somewhere and I really just wanted it. Here it is. So he just has some chipping right here on his hair. But they did a really good job on the detail. With all the walker hands. Hold the door closed. There's one down there holding his leg. Really beefy little dude. It's the bottom. It's the back. Really heavy duty. Freaking look at that. Really great. I really like them. But yeah, that was my unboxing of HODOR. So I do got two more I'm going to be doing later. A Kylo Ren 10-inch. I also have a Goku, like I said in my last video. But yeah, that's it for now. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.